I'll be careful.
Anyone that's dissed my mum, yeah, suck your dead great grand for your dad's batty crease, rude boy. It's time to up the levels again. New MCs born every weekend. You're an MC, don't try to be friendly, cause I'm not find out back the way. You get no airtime like space. Frankly, there's not enough space. There's already too many stars like space. I'm not having a bar like space. So shut your mouth, give me space, give me room. If you don't believe me, face when you do. Lyrics are deeper than the bass when you tune. Feed the message like the face on the moon. My lyrics will cheap up your rhymes. You just chat about beef all the time. The content is weaker than mine. Your dry lyrics things up E45. Their MCs just lie too much. If not, then they say lie too much. Easy peasy, silly easy, 3.8 grand. I like that. It's like bed, air like pie. All the time, my rhymes, not like mine. When I come around, it's metaphor time. I'm around, you're all down. You're here, stop picking up the ambient sounds around. I'm on top. Around, you just stop. Go have a drop. Swag MCs, it's not a good career choice. My lyrics will diminish your voice. You'll say something like me in your Rolls Royce. Not Jamie, that's too predictable. Voice. I'll say something deep like when I go to festivals, I don't pay them to get coins. My name's on the list. VIP wristband, AAA card, hanging from my neck. You're not a musician. You're in a room with a computer. You'll just surf the net. Not me. I'll overthink it. You face Pro Tools Project. Reason able to lie. I don't give a shit. So check out your life and make a hit. See Jamie, he's in charge. I ain't never been stealing cars. I'm meeting stars. My tunes will make your mouth water. Just like sweetie jars. I'm repeating bars. Cause that's me. Individual, I didn't cheat in class. You lot thicker than whiskey glass. Like Kano, I got beats and bars. Straight off the shelf, I keep my cards. In the charts, when an HMV breezing past. My lyrics are serious, leaving scars. Like Skepta, you hear me in cars. I'm not a cheat, but I'm breezing past like a cheater. You're a cow eating grass. You won't see me in a big car chase. Before all my skate park days, before music, I played the 8-bar phrase. Listen, like Jimbo, while Jamie's hitting the right tempo. Rhythm is cold like a winter day.